In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for themes in Salesforce. Turning on dark mode support makes Salesforce easier on the eyes, reduces glare, and gives users the choice to match their system appearance. You'll make this change once as an admin, and then each user can decide whether they want a dark or light interface or to follow their computer settings. First, make sure you're working in Salesforce with access to setup options. Look to the top right of your screen, click the gear icon, and select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the admin area where appearance settings live. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Type Themes and Branding, then select it. This is where Salesforce manages the visual layer, including logos, colors, and theme controls that apply across your org. On the Themes and Branding page, locate the active theme. You'll know which one is active because there's a check mark in the Active column. Hover over that theme and click the small caret icon to open more options, then choose Edit. You're now editing the theme configuration that your users actually see. In the Edit view, look for the option labeled Let Users Enable Dark Mode. Check that box. This doesn't immediately switch everyone to dark mode. Instead, it turns on the capability so people can choose for themselves. It's a great way to respect personal preferences while keeping your branding intact. Now, click Azav. Your theme updates are applied, and the dark mode toggle becomes available to users. From this point on, anyone in your org can click their profile image at the top right and pick how Salesforce should look: dark, light, or set to follow their computer's appearance settings. If they choose to follow the system, Salesforce will automatically switch as their device changes from light to dark, like in the evening. A quick tip: plan to review your logos and brand colors against a dark background to ensure they're readable and accessible. If something looks washed out or too bright, consider updating those assassins in the same themes and branding area. Also, let your team know about the change. Some users may need to refresh their browser to see the new appearance options immediately. And there you go. You've enabled dark mode capability at the theme level, and your users now have a simple, built-in way to personalize their Salesforce experience. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to share it with your team so everyone can enjoy a more comfortable workspace.